Hello everyone, how are you doing? I'm Teacher Nebat Nagaba. Today we are here to unveil our support assessment material. Last year, during the UNABLE report, it was found out that learners were unable to answer questions that requires application of knowledge or questions of competence-based learning. So given that problem, we have decided to come up with a support material that addresses that challenge. Here is our paper. It's a standard paper. It's available for each and everyone. It's for free. We are going to be giving it out via our different platforms. This paper it's addressing or it is supporting the application of knowledge questions or the competence-based learning. We do believe that a learner who practices using this paper won't remain the same. Questions concerning application of knowledge or competence-based learning is going to be an easy work for him or for her. Thank you so much. Reach out to us. We shall be giving you or sharing this paper to you. Thank you so much.